How do you know if your car needs paint correction? Here's a simple test you can do right now. I'm James from Hadrian's Vehicle Services. The sunlight test. Wash your vehicle and let it dry completely. Then park it in direct sunlight or any bright angled light. Look at a flat panel like the bonnet at an angle. Do you see a spiderweb pattern of fine lines? Those are swirl marks in the paintwork. Your car needs corrected if that's the case. The torch test. At night, use a bright torch, hold it at an angle to the paint, almost parallel to the surface. Sweep across, any swirls, scratches, or defects will light up on the paintwork. This is what we do with inspection lights during detailing. Now, signs you need correction. You might need paint correction if visible swirls are in the sunlight, scratches from washes or daily use. Paint looks dull or hazy, there's a loss of depth and reflection in the paintwork, or you're planning a ceramic coating. Now, when correction isn't needed, you might not need correction if your car's brand new with no defects, your paint already looks deep and glossy, minor wear that doesn't bother you as much, or you're selling soon and not investing in the car. If you're not sure, send us a photo. We'll look at it and tell you honestly whether correction would help or whether you'd be wasting your time. No obligation. Paint correction is an investment. We'll only recommend it if you'll genuinely benefit out of paint correction itself. I'm James from Hadrian's, and thanks for watching.